We're driving. I went the wrong way. You are waiting on your side. Thank you, kindly. We were supposed to go to the vet to pick up my big dog. And then I drove the other way to go to the shopping mall. Nope, not going to the shopping mall. So we're driving past and we're going through a town called Ruaka, which is near and dear to my heart. But it's a bit like busy, congested. There's a lot of bars. If you're looking on the side of the road, all those places are bars. You can pretty much buy a beer. It's beer or hardware everywhere. So driving through a little village, I thought I'd take you with you. Take you with us. We have 3 kids in the car. Who's in the car, guys?
Us.
Us. Good. Nice answer. I have my 6, 7, and 14-year-old in the car. So we're going on safari. Oh, this is dog triangle corner here. On the right in behind that white car. This is where you can kind of buy stray dogs or, I don't know, bred dogs. Let's see if there's dogs there. I'm not gonna look because I'm driving, but you tell me, is there dogs? Kids, was there dogs there?
Yeah, I'm not seeing any.
Not yet. Early in the morning. It is 10 o'clock on a Monday. These are all little shops on the side where people sell whatever they sell. Don't know what that guy's doing with a rope. Something interesting. So this is Ruaka. Ruaka. Ruaka's cool. But it's really busy, as you can see. This is how you pull off the road, very slowly.
Hey, look at Spider-Man shirts. For Anthony.
Oh, aye.
And a big wave.
And there's a dog on that side. This Quick Mart, that is a good little grocery store. I go to one in a less busy village town area. I don't like the parking in here. Parking in there is awkward at best. And there's a Tuskie's up here too. Where's Tuskie's? Tuskie's is another grocery store, unless it's closed. No, I think it says Family Bank. That used to be a Tuskie's over there. Guess not anymore. Yeah, it used to be right there. Now it's a bank. Who knows? A lot of people are here, right? It's busy. Tuskie's is pretty great. The one by the airport's really great. It's a 4-story grocery store. They have the best towels. Well, like the cheapest, best towels. Yep. Machine would love hot dogs, but we're not giving hot dogs to Machine. And then there's taxis on that side. That's taxis over there waiting. These are buses on this side, matatus they're called. So you can hire a motorbike or get a lift in one of these vans on the side. Come across. Out of my way, out of my way, out of my, you too, we know you're gonna come across. There you go. That's my 2 good deeds of the day. Yeah. Now down that little road there by White Rock Butchery, my first orphanage was down that little road. So that's the road I had to go in and out of. Oof. It would stress me out. This traffic. Fighting it in and out, but chicken in. They have some pretty good names for shops, which is interesting. Oh, Her Stitches, that's cool. It's a good little tailoring shop up there. And then all on the side, these are all, look at them. Good. If you need a hubcap or a tire, they're all apartments everywhere. And that was pretty much Ruaka. It's almost finished now. So down this hill is where the other entrance to my grocery store is. So you can go all the way around, and then up ahead is my vet. So we'll even go to the vet, why not? So there we go. Welcome to Two Rivers. Is Two Rivers our favorite shopping center, guys? Or you like Village Market? I'd say Two Rivers. But there's kind of nicer stores at Village Market. But Two Rivers has good parking. It's like open, spacious, windy, breezy.
I'd say Two Rivers is probably better for everything besides the restaurants.
Yeah, the restaurants at Village Market are a million times better. It's hard to eat at Two Rivers if you don't eat chicken barbecue, basically. Oh, or Burger King. There's a Burger King in there. Thank you, kids.
That kind of defeats.
Yeah. They're like, actually, is Burger King your favorite restaurant, guys?
Yeah, probably.
If you had to pick one, they love
I
it.
like burgers.
Burgers are great. And then my vet is just up in this, well, a little bit ahead. Go get my big dog home.
No, check it out. There's a live ad.
Where?
It's a joke. You can see, look at this live ad, but there's nothing actually there.
Oh, up there on
It's
that
like
side.
a dead ad,
Yeah.
technically.
It's a washed out live ad. I think they're building apartments in this place. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 bedroom apartments. From 16 million, so that's $160,000 you get an apartment. So that would be a 1 bedroom? Eek, sounds expensive to me. But, and then this is my other little shopping center, one of them. This is called Riviera. Nothing really in there.
Aside,
that was the
one
wrong one.
spectacular restaurant called
Oh
Artisan
yeah.
360.
Artisan 360, that's a good one. They have good pizza and they have good shoestring potato chips. Potato, well,
Seriously, trips, I guess. I don't know.
well, they're like French fries.
Hey, Mom. And Mom's favorite place, Java House.
Java House is not my favorite place.
I thought you loved. I thought you loved.
You guys love it for the hot chocolate. Okay, we can go in front of this nice lorry.
Gun is machines here.
Yeah, machine's here. Now, nobody turn into my vet. Don't turn in. Don't turn in. Okay, good.
Yes.
Miracle. This place is busy.
It is.
Yeah. Oh, good. We can park. That's a step.
Wow.
Whoa.
Look at machines.
So there's my little vet down in there. We're gonna go get machine once I park my battleship.
Is Mia going inside?
Yeah, Mira's gonna come inside.
Where's Cass?
Whoop.
Let's try this. What?
There we go.
What's
Okay, guys, let's go get the machines. Mira, mask, please.
Yep.
Thank you kindly. You guys, boys are staying in the car. Okay, mask on. Hey, excited, Tal?
Yeah, for sure. I'll say 1 week, I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's nice one.
That is a nice cat. Okay, now we go get the dog. Is that your dog?
Yes.
Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. All healed up?
Yep.
Back home. At least he still fits in the car.
Yeah.
Tired of it?
Yeah. I don't know, I'm just excited to be on my whole seat.
Machini. I love you, buddy. I'm glad you're home.